Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by quitting Outlook and stopping any related background processes. Open Activity Monitor, find Microsoft-related tasks, and force quit them if needed. Once done, sign out of your accounts inside Outlook so cached data won't resync unexpectedly. Make sure you note the Outlook version under About Outlook. This helps when reinstalling or troubleshooting. Also save any mail or attachments you want to keep. Exporting important data avoids accidental loss later. Next, remove the app and its support files to fully uninstall. Drag Outlook from applications to the trash, but don't stop there. Open Finder, press Shift-Command-G, and go to /library. Remove containers and group containers folders with COM. Microsoft entries to clear data. Then delete preferences in /library/preferences and the saved application state folder for Outlook. Make sure you check /library/application support for Microsoft folder. Finally, restart your Mac to release any locked files and complete the cleanup. After reboot, verify Outlook is gone. Check applications and /library for leftovers. If you plan to reinstall, download the correct version from the App Store or Microsoft and sign in when ready. If you see lingering icons or permission errors, open Terminal and run kill-all doc to refresh the dock and repair permissions via disk utility. If mail or accounts behave oddly, restore exported data selectively and re-authenticate your accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.